Detailed wash cycles. Each cleaning cycle of the dishwasher is like a superhero for different dish dramas, making sure they come out shining and happy. Standard cycle. For a solid, all-around clean, the standard cycle is your buddy. Warm 131 degrees Fahrenheit water for washing and a hotter 154 degrees Fahrenheit for rinsing ensures sparkling dishes in about 69 minutes. After cleaning, it dries for an hour. And if you need it, it'll keep your dishes fresh by circulating air for 73 hours. Quick cycle. If you are in a rush, the quick cycle has got you covered. It washes dishes at a cozy 122 degrees Fahrenheit, rinses with a warmer 144 degrees Fahrenheit, and finishes everything in 29 minutes. Like the others, it dries for an hour and can circulate fresh air for 73 hours to keep your dishes neat. Strong cycle. Got some tough, stubborn mess? The strong cycle is your hero. Washing at 131 degrees Fahrenheit and rinsing at temperatures up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, it's determined to get every spot in 89 minutes. And yep, it dries for 60 minutes and can keep dishes fresh for 73 hours. Eco cycle. Are you interested in being environmentally friendly? The ECO cycle is both kind to your dishes and the environment. It washes at 131 degrees Fahrenheit and rinses at 154 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll have clean dishes in 59 minutes, the same 60-minute drying, and 73-hour fresh air storage. Fruit cycle. Do you have any fruits that need to be washed? Give them a gentle and thorough rinse with the fruit cycle. In just 19 minutes, your fruits are ready to eat or store. Simple and effective. Dry cycle. Just need a dry. This cycle will ensure your dishes are perfectly dry in 60 minutes. And, if you're not ready to unload, it can keep your dishes fresh by circulating air for a good 73 hours.